Hello guys, we know that VidIQ is one of the best YouTube tool for YouTubers. You can get more views and subscribers by using VidIQ, and lot of famous YouTubers also grow their channel by using this tool. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to buy the pro package in VidIQ for free. So let's get started. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon for getting more updates. First go to the VidIQ official website. Sign up with your Gmail ID. Click the Get Pro button. Choose this plan. And click the promo code and type OSI. Now open the other window and type Muz21 and open this website. Now type these digits and click generator. Copy any one of these results and go to the VidIQ window. Fill these details by entering any name and places. Paste the card number, date, and CVC number. If it does not work, try with another number in this result. Now this account is successfully upgraded. Now you can access the pro feature of VidIQ and get more views and subscribers. If you don't know how to use VidIQ, I'll upload a video on how to use VidIQ and put link in the description or in I button. Check it out. So, that's all guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, just ask in the comment section. If you want to learn some of the coolest things about your Android, just subscribe Muz21 Tech channel and turn on the bell icon for getting my daily updates.